Hello students, today we will do our next theorem 8.9 that is known as midpoint theorem. Students, this is a very important theorem. The line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Students, it means this is a triangle ABC and midpoint of AB is D and midpoint of AC is equals to E. And the line segment joining the midpoints of these two sides is DE, and we have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. Means this is given that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. We have to prove that DE is parallel to BC, and these are D and E are midpoints of side AB and AC respectively. Midpoints means AD equals to DB and AE equals to EC. It means ये जो पॉइंट है D ये AB को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है. So firstly what is given? A triangle ABC in which D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. DE is joined. What we have to prove? We have to prove DE parallel to BC. So what we construct? Draw CF parallel to BA. We draw a line segment CF which is parallel to BA and meeting DE produced in F. We construct a line segment CF which is parallel to BA and ये जो पॉइंट F है ये DE को F तक प्रोड्यूस करने के बाद DE से मिल रहा है. Okay, so we have these two triangles ADE and EFC or CEF. We have these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle. Firstly, we will prove them congruent. So how we will prove? AE equals to EC. This is given because E is midpoint of AC. It means AE equals to EC. And this angle AED equals to this angle CEF. Vertically opposite angles. And this angle DAE equals to this angle FCE. These two angles are alternate interior angles because AD parallel to CF, because AB parallel to CF, it means AD is a part of AB, so it will be also parallel to CF. AD parallel to CF and AC is a transversal, it means this angle and this angle, these two angles are alternate interior angles, so these two angles will be equal. These two sides are equal, these two angles and these two angles are equal. It means this triangle AED and this triangle CEF are congruent to each other by which property? ASA, two angles and their included side. Now if these two angles are congruent, it means AD equals to CF and D equals to EF. We can say that AD equals to CF and DE equals to EF. But we know that AD equals to BD. AD equals to BD and we proved that AD equals to CF. It means BD equals to CF. Okay. Left hand sides of these two equations are equal. It means their right hand side will also equal. So BD equals to CF and BD parallel to CF. By construction, we construct CF which is parallel to AB. It means BD equals to CF and BD parallel to CF by construction. Hence, ABCD is a parallelogram. Friends, remember theorem 8.8 that says that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. In this quadrilateral BCFD, in this quadrilateral these two sides are parallel to each other and equal. It means this is a parallelogram by theorem 8.8. Since this is a parallelogram BDCF, hence BC parallel to DF, okay, or DF parallel to BC. if DF parallel to BC, it means DE is also parallel to BC because DE is a part of DF. Since DE is a part of DF, hence DE parallel to BC. Okay students, to prove this theorem, firstly we construct a line segment CF which is parallel to AB and which is joining DE at point F. Then we prove these two triangles congruent. Then AD equals to CF and DF equals to EF. And we know that AD equals to BD because D is midpoint. Hence BD equals to CF and BD parallel to CF by construction because we construct CF as parallel line to AB. So BCFD is a parallelogram because one pair of opposite sides is parallel and equal. Then we can say that this is a parallelogram by theorem 8.8. Hence this is a parallelogram. It means DF parallel to BC and D is a part of DF. Hence DF parallel to BC. So the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the other side. This is midpoint theorem. Now for next theorem 8.10. This is the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the another side bisect the third side. Students, this is a triangle ABC and let us suppose that D is midpoint of AB and we construct a line DE which is parallel to BC. It means we have to prove that E is a midpoint of AC. It means we have to prove that AE equals to EC. Given a triangle ABC in which D is the midpoint of AB and DE is parallel to BC, and to prove E is midpoint of AC. Let E is not midpoint of AC and let F is the midpoint of AC join DF. We suppose that E is not midpoint of AC and we suppose that F is midpoint of this AC. It is given that D is midpoint of AB and by construction F is midpoint of AC. It means DF is parallel to BC by midpoint theorem. These two are midpoints of these two sides of this triangle. It means this line is parallel to this line. It means DF parallel to BC by midpoint theorem and DE parallel to BC. This is given in the question, but thus two intersecting lines DF and DE are both parallel to BC because this is parallel to BC by midpoint theorem and DE parallel to BC by this is given. And this is contradiction, so our supposition is wrong. Hence E is midpoint of AC. Okay students, now you can do questions of this exercise. Students, if you have any problem in this exercise, then you can contact me. And don't you worry about the level of questions of this chapter. We will discuss all the questions when our school will be open.